Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making sure the remote and receiver are ready. Swap batteries if power is low. Turn on Bluetooth or insert the USB dongle, then wait for the device to pair. Open the PowerPoint file and set slideshow preferences, enabling presenter view when you want notes. Once paired, test a single slide advance to verify connection. This quick validation prevents interruptions and ensures you can control slides, timers, and pointer features smoothly when you start presenting. You now practice the controls so using them becomes second nature. Press the advance button for next slide and the reverse for back. Hold to fast scan through multiple slides if needed. Toggle the laser pointer or cursor mode for emphasis and change pointer speed in PowerPoint options to match your delivery. Make sure presenter view shows notes, upcoming slides, and elapsed time on your laptop so you stay on script and on schedule while the audience sees only the slide. You finish by stopping the slideshow with the stop button or ESC and then disconnect the remote if required. If the remote glitches, immediately check battery level and repair Bluetooth or reset the USB dongle. Swapping batteries or replugging often fixes transient issues. For high-stakes events, make a backup plan. Carry a spare USB receiver or a wired clicker. This ensures continuity, so even if wireless fails, you keep control and complete the presentation without panic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.